Are flat earthers onto something with their Antarctica ice wall claims? Time to find out. So what's the deal with Antarctica's so-called ice wall? Flat earth theorists say it's a giant barrier holding in the oceans, but here's the chilly reality. Antarctica's ice shelves are massive, floating sheets of ice. They're not walls, they're crucial for regulating our climate. Historically, some cultures imagined icy edges of the world. Fast forward to today, these myths morphed into conspiracy theories. Claims of secret bases and hidden entrances abound, but science says otherwise. Bottom line, Antarctica's ice shelves are natural wonders, not mysterious barriers. Keep exploring the wonders of our planet and don't let the frosty myths freeze your curiosity. Stay curious, science enthusiasts.